How to fix Mendeley not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall Mendeley from a Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall Mendeley on Mac #quit Mendeley if it's currently running. If grep x Mendeley Desktop /dev/null, then echo Mendeley Desktop is currently running. Please quit the application before continuing. Exit 1 #remove the Mendeley application echo Uninstalling Mendeley Desktop. Sudo rmrf/application/Mendeley Desktop.app. #remove the Mendeley preferences echo removing Mendeley preferences. Sudo rmrf $home/library/preferences/com.mendeley.desktop.plist. #remove the Mendeley support files echo removing Mendeley support files. Sudo rmrf $home/library/application support/Mendeley Desktop. #remove the Mendeley cache files echo removing Mendeley cache files. Sudo rmrf $home/library/caches/Mendeley Desktop echo Mendeley Desktop has been successfully uninstalled. Exit 0 to use the script. Open a text editor, such as TextEdit, and copy and paste the code above into a new file. Save the file with a .sh extension, example uninstall-mendeley.sh. Then, open the terminal app on your Mac and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using the cd command. For example, if you save the file on your desktop, you can type cd/desktop and press enter. Next, make the script executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod +x uninstall-mendeley.sh. Finally, run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall mendeley.sh. Follow the prompts to uninstall Mendeley from your Mac.